If you've ever tried to click on an object in AutoCAD and kept selecting the wrong one because multiple items are stacked on top of each other, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use selection cycling in AutoCAD, so you can easily choose the exact object you want when elements overlap. This is a simple but extremely useful feature that can save you a lot of time and frustration while working on your drawings. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. You can use any file where objects overlap because that will make it easier to see how selection cycling works in real time. Once your drawing is open, look at the status bar at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. You should see an icon that looks like overlapping squares. That is the selection cycling button. Go ahead and turn selection cycling on by clicking that icon. When it's enabled, AutoCAD will help you choose between multiple objects that are sitting in the same area. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also turn it on by pressing Ctrl and W at the same time. Either method does the same thing, so use whichever one feels easier for you. Now move into your drawing and click on an area where objects overlap. Instead of selecting just one object immediately, AutoCAD will display a small selection list box. This list shows the different objects available in that exact spot. That means you no longer have to keep clicking and guessing which object is hidden behind the others. Once the list box appears, move your cursor over the items in the list. As you hover over each option, AutoCAD will highlight the corresponding object in the drawing so you can clearly see which one you are about to select. This preview is very helpful because it lets you confirm the object before committing to it. When you find the object you want, simply click it in the list. AutoCAD will then select that exact object even if it was covered by several other elements. This is especially useful when working with complex drawings, architectural plans, mechanical layouts, or any file with a lot of overlapping geometry. And that's really all there is to it. Selection cycling is a quick and efficient way to take control of object selection in AutoCAD without wasting time selecting the wrong item. Once you get used to it, it becomes one of those features you'll use all the time. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy AutoCAD guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.